When you receive a Graphic Whizard cutter, it'll arrive like this, covered in film. First thing you're going to want to do is cut off the strapping and cut off all of the film and remove the excess. Then your machine will look like this. For this stage, you're going to need a second person to remove the stand off of the crate. Like this. Next, you're gonna unscrew the crate from its skid using a screwdriver. You'll need a second person again to help you lift the crate off the skid. Next, you will see that the cutter is bolted down with screws on each side. So what you want to do is get your screwdriver and unbolt the machine. But you want to be careful because you can easily strip these screws. So be mindful when you're unscrewing. So for this next part, you will need a pump truck and a forklift. Essentially, what you want to do is lift the skid with the machine on top of it. You want the machine high enough so you can place blocks underneath the skid, so you are able to pick up the machine from the side, so you are able to access the handles to put the machine on top of its stand. You can also accomplish this by lifting up the machine with the forklift from its side and then putting the wood underneath and lowering the machine on top. What we want to do is to have the skid perpendicular to the forks so it can get underneath from this angle, as previously mentioned, so you can pick up the machine with the forklift for ease to get on top of the stand. This is what it should look like as you get ready to lift the machine with its skid. Make sure that the door of the stand is front facing with the front of the machine. Your skid should be straight and parallel with its stand. So again, to avoid having to overhandle the machine and strain yourself. You should line up your machine with its stand so that these four holes are lined up with where the machine sits. This is also where you cut free the machine from any film wrapping it. Be mindful of the cord when you are doing this. Please note that the machine will have extra parts and paperwork inside. Just remove those parts to avoid any awkwardness or parts falling out of the machine as you are moving it. So for this next step, you'll need 4 people to help you lift the machine. Every person needs to be capable of lifting at least 100 pounds.